morning everyone. It's the morning time in the Pakistan, and today I'm going to discuss something very important, which is artificial intelligence in healthcare system. Usually, many doctors, especially in Asian areas or European areas, have no idea why we are going towards this health tech thing and artificial intelligence, because many of them have never encountered such system. They just know a patient will come and they'll just treat them and put their records in the electronic medical records, and then where those records go, how they are handled, what is the way of treating and analyzing those things, that is something which nobody knows. And I would say like with these advancements and the fastly growing artificial intelligence and this tech company, the doctors should also just update their knowledge, just should train themselves on the health innovation and deep learning. So just to explain it in simple words, like why doctors need to do this, if we just go back into the history of healthcare system, we know there are two parties which are benefited or which just are just take their benefit from being under this system. One are the patients and one are the providers, or what we call the doctors. So the patients, they receive the treatment, and the doctors, they are the one who are the provider, and they have to give the treatment to the patients. So like when the healthcare system was very at its pioneer stage, at that time this was enough that somebody just wrote a prescription and that just go to the patient and that's it. That was the whole treatment. There was nothing else which was needed at that time. But now, as the population of world is increasing so drastically, we have to innovate new ways in which we can balance the healthcare system, and we can give just the proper treatment and equitable treatment to everyone who is in need. So that's why there is a need of a system which can typically just provide that equal healthcare distribution to everyone. That's the need of the day, because the population is increasing in billions and billions each year, and with that billions and billions increasing population, we just need to make new ways to just distribute the healthcare facilities which are available. So nowadays there are just two ways in which you can just distribute it. One is the way in which there is government, and government is trying to distribute all these resources, and the other one is the way in which there are insurance companies which are providing a structured healthcare system to everyone. So for that structured healthcare system and for the government distribution of all the healthcare facilities which are available, no human or no team of human can just distribute it equally. We need to have a vast system with algorithms and with computers and with everything which can just incorporate artificial intelligence into it and can distribute the facilities available to everyone who is in need. So yeah, that's my little explanation why we need the artificial intelligence and why we need the innovation in healthcare. And I'm going to start a new course to just train all the doctors in Pakistan for this purpose. So stay tuned, we'll be in touch. Thank you very much.